Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to delete a TikTok video permanently. So if you also want to remove a video from your feed, your profile from TikTok, you can follow up these steps. Once you open up your TikTok application on your screen and log in, you can go to your profile directly by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. And once you tap on it, your profile directly opens up on your screen with all of the videos and everything available. Now, if you would like to delete the TikTok video, what you need to do is once you have headed over to your profile, you can just go ahead and find the video that you would like to delete from your page. You can tap on it, and once you tap on it, the video should appear on your screen like this. So, what you may do is you can just go ahead and look out for the sidebar menu with liking, comment, etc., and a three dot available. So find the three dot and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding different options available on your screen. Now, from the last section right there, you can find different options called analytics, add to story, etc. You just need to swipe right. And once you swipe right, you should be finding option for delete. So go ahead and find the delete option in the bottom right corner and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to confirm it. You can select the second option for deleting it permanently, but before deleting it permanently, you will be having a 30 days recovery phase period. So you can just go ahead and confirm it up, tap on delete. And once you confirm it up, the post should be deleted, and you can view it on your recycle bin for about 30 days. But after 30 days, if you do not recover it, it will be permanently deleted. And that's it. So if you'd also like to delete your TikTok video permanently, these are the methods you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.